In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Chrome. Complete Beginner's Guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, you will see the main browser window. The most important area to notice right away is the long bar at the top of the window. This is often called the search bar or address bar. In Google Chrome, this bar can do two things. You can use it to search the internet, or you can use it to go directly to a specific website. If you want to search for something, click inside the bar at the top of the screen. Then type your search query. This can be a word, a phrase, or a question. After you type what you want to search for, press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will load a search results page, and from there you can choose the result that looks most useful or relevant. You can also use the same bar to visit a website directly. Instead of typing a search phrase, type the website address into the bar. After entering the address, press Enter. Chrome will take you straight to that website. The key thing to remember is that the bar at the top is the main place where you begin browsing, whether you are searching for information or opening a specific website. At the top left of the window, you will see navigation arrows. The left arrow is the back button, and it lets you return to the previous page you were viewing. Next to the back button, you will usually see the forward button, which points to the right. The forward button works after you have gone back to a previous page. If you press back and then decide you want to return to the page you just left, click the forward button. These two buttons make it easy to move through your browsing history without needing to type the same search or website address again. Now let us look at the refresh button. This button usually looks like a circular arrow near the top left of the Chrome window. Refresh is used to reload the current web page. When you click refresh, Chrome asks the website to load again. In many cases, this fixes small loading issues or updates the content on the page. These tools are the foundation of browsing the web with Google Chrome. Once you are comfortable with these actions, using Chrome becomes much easier and more natural. That covers everything you need to know.